So the stretching portion of this starts with the psoas. And for this, we want the hips square, so this leg straight in front of the hip and this one straight behind. To put the femur in the right position, I like to have the heel come out. That internally rotates the femur and stretches the psoas most. So from here, I like you to push your hips as far forward as you can. I like to use a pad underneath the knee because I'm wimpy and it hurts when I put my knee on the ground. So if you put something soft there, it allows you to relax a little bit more so you can get a little deeper stretch. Whoa, as long as your balance is good. So pushing the hips forward like this. Then once you get to a good position and you feel it deep here, you can lean away from whichever leg is back. So if my right leg is back, I lean left. And then reach up to stretch all this fascia through here all the way into the iliopsoas. Okay. Next is the quadriceps. So in this position, I like to lean on the elbow, not so much on the hand, and pull this heel to my butt and bring this knee back as much as possible. So I fire the glute in order to get the leg back, as well as pull that there and get as much stretch. If you're having difficulties reaching the foot, get a towel or something, or grab a pant leg or something like that to pull that back if your leg isn't flexible enough to bring it back. Both are important, bringing the leg back as well as bringing the heel to your butt. For the hamstrings, you want to put the leg up on something that's about knee height, preferably something that doesn't roll around, but this is going to work for a demonstration. And then this bottom leg points toward that. Now usually balance is an issue, so it's good to hold on to something or a wall, something like that. So with this foot pointed toward that one, that squares the hips and allows you to stretch the hamstring. If this is turned out where my foot is not pointed toward that, you end up stretching the adductors, which is fine, it just doesn't stretch the hamstrings as well. So from this position, I dorsiflex the ankle by pointing it toward my face, and then I stick the butt out. And so once I do that, I only have to push my heel out a very small bit or squat down, and that stretches the hamstrings very well. So I don't have to basically flex and put my face on my leg. All that does is increase the lumbar flexion range of motion, and I'm looking to stretch the hamstring. So if I stick my butt out and I dorsiflex the ankle, that stretches everything on the back side there. So for stretching the calf, you basically want to hang it off a curb or a step, and it's as easy as just doing one at a time is probably preferable so that you can get maximum stretch. If you do both, it's just less full stretch on the calf. So one at a time, and put your full body weight with your legs straight, and then just a slight bend in the knee. Those will stretch different parts of the calf, and both are important.